The magical journey. Understanding the flight path of birds. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're embarking on a magical journey to understand the phrase, flight path of birds. This concept is not just a scientific term but also a beautiful metaphor used in various contexts. So, let's spread our wings and explore this phrase together. The phrase, flight path of birds, refers to the route or trajectory that birds follow while flying. This can be a straight line from one point to another or a more complex route involving changes in direction and altitude, depending on the purpose of their flight, which might include searching for food, migrating, or avoiding predators. One of the most remarkable examples of the flight path of birds is bird migration. Migration is the seasonal movement of birds from one region to another, often covering thousands of miles. These paths are meticulously planned and executed, showcasing the bird's innate ability to navigate vast distances with precision. The reasons behind migration include seeking warmer climates, breeding, and finding food. Beyond its literal meaning, the flight path of birds is also used metaphorically to describe a journey or path in life. It symbolizes freedom, aspiration, and the pursuit of goals. In literature and everyday language, this phrase can express the idea of charting one's course or navigating through life's challenges, much like birds skillfully navigate their flights. Birds' flight paths are influenced by various environmental factors like wind patterns, weather conditions, and geographic features. However, human activities, such as urban development and pollution, can also impact these paths, sometimes leading to challenges in their migratory journeys. This highlights the importance of environmental conservation efforts to ensure that birds can continue their incredible journeys unhindered. And that, dear viewers, brings us to the end of our exploration into the flight path of birds. We hope this journey has not only taught you about the literal and metaphorical meanings of this phrase but also inspired you to think about the paths you choose in life. Remember, like the birds, we all have the power to navigate our journeys, overcoming obstacles and reaching for our goals. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been both informative and inspiring. Fly high and see where your journey takes you.